Hello there people interested in robotics. Welcome to our research video row. Imagine a crying child running towards his mother and telling her he has just swallowed his favorite miniature toy. Don't worry, says his mother and gives him a special gummy bear robot to eat. That will solve his problem. Or imagine a patient complaining how his stomach hurts and the doctor gives him a pill-like ice cube to swallow in order to analyze what's the matter. Sounds odd? Well, we will show you how this easily can be reality. Today, in this video, we will talk about ingestible robots, aka eatable robots. As the name says, one of the robot's properties is a small size and consistence that allows a human to swallow it. But why should a human want to swallow electronics on his own volition? The reason is a new way of medical treatment. The human body is very complex and many areas are hard to reach, especially our digestive system. In order to heal or analyze the digestive tract, it's important to address these regions directly. Better without opening it through surgical intervention. That is in many cases not only risky, but also surgical intervention brings additional expenditure and requires unnecessary procedures, like cutting sensible intestinal walls. We know what you're about to say. The insertion of sensors or cameras inside the body to have a close look on your inner health is not that new. We already use these methods. For example, during colonoscopy, a method of recognizing signs of cancer inside the colon, the doctor inserts a camera on a long flexible tube in the last section of the intestines. Understandably, many patients aren't comfortable with this procedure. Furthermore, the camera only gives visual output to the doctor and is not able to cure actively targeted regions. To avoid this kind of insertion, it is necessary to approach from the other side, orally. Researchers from Intelligent Systems Laboratory in Switzerland developed digestible actuators, which is perfect for the purpose of swallowable robots. They are made of gelatin and suitable not only because of their soft texture, but also because the human body can digest them, so that after the work of such a robot is done, it will dissolve in the human body, leaving no harmful waste. The actuators are filled with air or fluid and react to different chemicals with movement and work as a motor. Especially in combination with ingestible cameras and sensors, it's a very promising invention. David Zarouk is an Israeli professor of mechanical engineering and is currently working on another approach of the solution. A worm-like robot equipped with a wiggling motor and covered by a smooth artificial skin, which allows the robot moving through the stomach and intestines without damaging them. This robot is called SAW for Single Actuator Wave Robot and is able to treat diseases, collect sensorical information for analysis and move through the body controlled by the doctor. Another research group from Boston developed an origami-style robot. Because of its purpose, the robot is made of a biocompatible material, dried pig ingestin. The device is frozen in a pill-shaped ice cube before the intake. Then, this robot is driven by magnetic influence from outside to the stomach, where the pill melts and the robot can fulfill his duties. Because of its unfolding, the robot is very handy. He is swallowed by a small size and unfolds inside the stomach, so that it is capable to transport or patch wounds. Even if the robot stops working inside the human, there is no reason to worry because the electronic structure is still influenceable by magnetic signals from outside for safe movement. And the robot can leave the body in a natural process, passing out the person's digestive system. In general, the usage of ingestible robots has a lot of advantages. The most important advantage is a major breakthrough in medical science. It is now possible to treat diseases in sensitive and hard-to-reach areas in the body without opening it through surgical intervention. It can be done by delivering medicine to directly address spots or providing areas with necessary stability or even closing bleeding wounds. Even retrieving small objects that don't belong in the digestive tract, such as batteries or pennies, is now possible. On itself, swallowing such objects doesn't do that much of a harm, but over time it is possible that the stomach walls get burned from too long contact with the battery. Another feature is now also possible, cutting out small tissues examples for further observation and extracting them together with collecting sensorical information for analysis. Pretty awesome, If you're interested in further awesome robots, especially in humanoid robots, you should definitely check out Roboy.
The Roboy project is an open source project with the goal to build a robot as good as the human body. We created an open platform for robot development that unites researchers, companies, students and artists from a broad spectrum of disciplines. Roboy means full-stack robotics, from mechanics to electronics to control to cognitive systems. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, and we work on all levels to make Roboy truly intelligent. The Roboy team aims to build better, more useful robots by adopting principles from biology and to help humans with musculoskeletal limitations through better prosthetics, better training and exoskeletons. So if you are interested and want to know more, check out our website roboy.org or the GitHub account github.com/roboy. Thanks for watching another episode of R-Cube. See you soon and stay curious!